In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find distressed properties on Propstream. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to propstream.com in order to get access to their site. Onto their site, you can see this option for try it free. This indicates that you can get 7 days of free trial from Propstream in order to get access to their service. So click on the free trial right here or right here. Proceed to click on the login if you already have an account right here. So on my case, I already have an account. So from there, you can access it from here. So I have in here as well this article that should be able to help us with this. So on the PropStream article, we have in here some options for distressed properties. So here are some options, and here you can see an example of a distressed properties that may need a lot of renovations. So for the spellcasting right here, you can get some properties such as zombie properties, old and haunted homes, as well as pre-probate properties. So with this, you can get as well a lot of cores and the likes. So if you're looking for some particular, head over and then this part of the stress properties, you can head over and then just try to apply a filter for the stress properties on direct onto the prop stream. When you head over to the prop stream right here, you will find that right there that we have this lead list as well as value and also some filters that will apply into this part. This particular application should be added into the filter part, and you can head over and find them directly from here. You can also utilize PropStream intelligence in order to get AI-driven real estate data to unlock your true potential with PropStream right here. So with this, you can add the address, add a filter for this in order to get those distressed properties that you would like. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.